thinking of you.
When the candles are lying, the MACD histogram is telling the truth. Hi, this is David Modell looking at the markets. We're going to talk about a divergence between the MACD histogram and the direction that the candles are going. And sometimes, not always, when the candles are lying to you or misleading you, the MACD histogram is telling the truth. So first I want to give credit to TradingView.com for providing these charts that we're looking at today. And I'm using Netflix stock, NFLX stock, as an example. And I'm using the daily candlestick chart where each candle represents 1 day of price action. But what I'm talking about today could be applied to 1-minute candles, 5-minute candles, whatever time frame you want. Just be aware that there's no guarantee that this works. Okay, it does not work 100% of the time. And always test out ideas and strategies with demo or virtual trading where you're not using real money, just to make sure it works first. So here's an example where you have the candles from here to here generally trending upwards, okay, where you can draw a line through the tops of the candles and it's going upwards. You can say it's a trend, and you might think, oh, well, next the candles are going to keep going up. Well, we can already see that didn't happen, right? But you didn't know that yet. When you're over here, you're thinking, wow, it's on an uptrend. I think it's going to keep on going up. But then you look at the MACD histogram. Look at that, okay? And we're not going to talk about the MACD line and the signal line today. I'm not saying ignore them. I'm just saying that's not what this video is about. It's about the histogram. And when the histogram is generally trending downwards, when you can connect the line, 2 dots and make a line generally trending downward on the MACD histogram at the same exact time that the candles are going up, which one is telling the truth? Well, we can see that the MACD histogram told the truth, because what happened next in the price of Netflix stock, we can see it right here, straight down. It doesn't always happen like that, but I've seen it happen a number of times. So what you can do is, yes, draw your lines on the chart, note which way the candlesticks are going generally, but also look at the direction of that histogram. And if at the same time you have a divergence, maybe, no guarantees, but maybe that histogram is telling the truth when the candlesticks might be misdirecting you or lying, as they say. And it can go the other way. You can have a general downtrend in the candles, but meanwhile the histogram at the same time is trending upward. You can connect 2 dots, form a line, and see that the general trend, not every histogram bar, but the general trend is upward. And what happened next? Well, you can see what happened next, straight up, right? And up and up. And it just kept going up. So which one was telling the truth? Well, if you followed the trend of the candles, you would have thought it's going to go down. You might have tried to short the stock. Bad move. Histogram told the truth. Told you it's going to go up. Doesn't always work, but it's interesting and worth watching, and you can try it out. So that's just a couple of examples of what it might look like when they diverge. The direction of the candles and the general direction of the histogram bars diverge. That could be important. Maybe you don't want to take the trade, or maybe you just want to do what the indicator, the histogram, tells you to do. But you got to make your own decision. Okay, you're not just doing what an indicator tells you. You're making your own decisions, doing your own due diligence. Don't do something because somebody in a video said it, all right? Because it's your money at the end of the day. I hope this is helpful to you. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it, and I will talk to you again soon.
Pain in my liver, okay, shame, so much shame, can't bear my frame, can't bear your name, okay, can't bear this game, let's play new rules, old rituals, guilt trip, heartstring snap, 1, 2, can't go back too much, not enough, I can't get your claws out my guts, I'm thinking of you.